Hi, welcome to another video. Recently, Patronecs integrated Handwrytten with the Podio-based Patronecs CRM for a client, enabling the mailing of custom handwritten notes/cards directly from Podio to leads using the Handwrytten service. Handwrytten is the leading online handwritten note service that uses custom-designed handwriting robots holding real pens to write out notes in the handwriting style of your choice. Users simply type their message, choose a handwriting style, select a card design, and Handwrytten handles the rest. The handwritten cards are then printed, stuffed into envelopes, stamped, and mailed. So let's see how this integration works. Here are the different categories and designs for the cards. Now we'll go to our custom cards. To send the card directly from Handwrytten, click on Send button. Here, we can customize the card according to our needs. Now let's move to Podio to send the card to lead directly from Podio. Let's see the handwritten templates. We must add a handwritten card template here to send to a lead from Podio. Here's the card details that we'll be sending to our lead. Now, open the SMRT Leads app and select the lead to whom you want to send the card. Click here. You can see the card is not sent as we have not selected the card template. So let's select the card. Now click again. Here you can see the card has been successfully sent to the lead directly from Podio. Now we'll move to Handwrytten to see the card details. Click Past Orders. Here's the card that we sent to the client from Podio. Thanks for watching.
To avail our services or to discuss your next project, contact us on the following details.